What do you say in English when your friend is sick at home? Don't worry. Listen to this real conversation. If you want to speak English with confidence, you're in the right place. Welcome to Fun English Friends. In this video, you'll practice real-life English conversation, improve your listening and speaking, and learn useful vocabulary and phrases you can use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice the phrases out loud. Ready? Let's start.
Hello.
Hey, Emma. Did I wake you up?
A little, but it's okay.
Sorry about that. How are you feeling now?
I feel a bit better, but still very tired.
That's normal. Your body needs time to recover.
Yeah, I still have a little headache.
Did you take your medicine this morning?
Yes, I did. After breakfast.
Good. What did you eat?
Just some bread and tea. I don't feel very hungry.
That's okay. Try to eat a little more later.
I will try.
Are you drinking enough water?
Yes, I keep a bottle next to my bed.
Perfect. That's very important.
Thanks for checking on me, Tom.
Of course. I was worried about you.
I'm okay. Just a little weak.
I'll come visit you. Is that okay?
Really? That would be nice.
Great. I'll be there soon.
Come in.
Hey, how are you now?
I'm okay. Just tired.
You still look a bit pale.
Yeah, I didn't sleep well.
I brought you something.
What is it?
Homemade soup, some fruit, and juice.
Wow. You made this?
Well, I tried.
Thank you so much. That means a lot.
You need to eat healthy food to get better.
I know. I'll eat it later.
No, you should eat a little now.
Okay. Just a little.
Good. I'll sit here with you. Do you still feel cold?
A little. That's why I'm wearing this hoodie.
Do you want another blanket?
No, I'm okay.
Did the doctor say anything else?
This is enough. Just rest, drink water, and take medicine.
Sounds simple, but important.
Yeah, I just need patience.
What time is your next medicine?
In about 30 minutes.
I'll remind you.
Thank you. I might forget.
Do you want to watch something?
Maybe. Something light.
A comedy?
Yes. I need something fun.
Okay, let's watch together.
That sounds nice.
You know, I was really worried yesterday.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to worry you.
It's okay. I just care about you.
Thank you for being here.
Always. You're not alone.
That makes me feel better.
Hey, it's time for your medicine.
All right. Thank you.
Good job.
I feel a bit sleepy now.
That's normal. You should rest.
Will you stay for a while?
Of course.
Thank you, Tom. Really.
Get some sleep, Emma.
Okay.
Now you will learn some new vocabulary and useful phrases for daily life. These words are very common and useful. You can use them when you speak English every day. Let's get started.
Weak, meaning not strong. Example, I feel weak today. Tired, meaning needing rest or sleep. Example, I feel very tired. Rest, meaning relax and sleep. Example, you need to rest. Recover, meaning to get better after being sick. Example, your body needs time to recover. Visit, meaning to go and see someone. Example, Tom will visit Emma.
Nice work. Practice these conversations again to improve your English. Before you go, I have a question for you. Question number 1. How did Emma feel in the morning? Question number 2. What did Tom bring for Emma? Question number 3. What did Emma do before she went to sleep? Write your answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye.